Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to create Pop-up Maker in WordPress. First, let's get started by installing a powerful and user-friendly plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, find the Plugins section, and click Add New. Search for Pop-up Maker, install it, and then activate it. This essential first step takes just a few moments, setting the foundation for all your future pop-ups. You'll then see a new Pop-up Maker option appear in your left-hand menu. Now that the plugin is active, it's time to design your first pop-up. Click Add New Pop-up from the Pop-up Maker menu. Give your pop-up a clear title, like Welcome Discount or Newsletter Sign Up. In the content editor, you can add any text, images, or even short videos. Experiment with the various themes and styling options to match your brand, ensuring your pop-up looks professional and inviting to your visitors. Next, we'll configure when and where your pop-up will be shown. This is crucial for effective engagement. Under Conditions, you can specify if it appears on all pages, specific posts, or even only for logged-in users. Then, set your triggers. Common options include a time delay, perhaps after 5 seconds, or an exit intent, which activates when a user moves their mouse to leave the page. These settings ensure your pop-up reaches the right audience at the optimal moment. Finally, it's time to bring your pop-up to life. Before publishing, take a moment to review all your settings, from content to conditions and triggers. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. Your pop-up is now live. It's always a good practice to test it across various devices, like desktops and mobile phones, and different web browsers to ensure it displays correctly and functions perfectly for every visitor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.